everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of subscription, not box, but subscription service for you guys. It is called Splendies and it is underwear, which at first I was like, ooh, I don't know. So Splendies is a underwear subscription service where they send you 3 pairs of underwear each month. You get to pick your size and then select your style, and then they send them to you. Easy as that. And it starts at $13.99 a month, but you can get $4 off your first one with the code Splendies. So I will leave that below. Use it, try it, get you some good stuff. So I wanted to share what I got in mine. I have not looked yet, so I have no idea, but their packaging is pretty cute. It's this little like patterned bag. And then it comes nicely wrapped in some tissue. Ooh, I like the colors I see. So because they sent this to me, I didn't get to pick what styles I wanted. It looks like I got 1 pair, 1 thong, and then 2 like bikini. So the first one is this lacy pink. Very pretty, like that. Okay, this next one, oh, I really like these colors. It's this like kind of cobalt blue with like the chartreuse green, and it's lace on the front. Oh, like lace on the front and then solid on the back. These are really cute and they feel really nice too, really soft. And then the third pair I got are these really pretty floral ones. Oh, they're so pretty. It's like a good like fall floral. I don't really like wearing this style. I prefer thongs, but these will be good for like nighttime or whatever, I don't know. So that is it. Pretty fun idea. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy a nice pair of underwear. That sounds really weird, but it just makes you feel better, and especially when they're like cute and colorful. Anyways, if you guys want to try it, you can use the code Splendies to get $4 off your first subscription. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.